Are you looking for the best air purifiers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best air purifiers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Shark NeverChange Air Purifier Compact Pro. Like many household appliances, air purifiers come with their own set of ongoing costs, particularly when it comes to filter replacements. If you want to avoid the added expense of changing filters, check out the Shark NeverChange Air Purifier Compact Pro. What truly sets this air purifier apart from the rest is its durable filter, which is designed to last for up to 5 years. This means you can enjoy clean air in your home without constantly worrying about replacing the filter. The unit does have a debris defense filter that requires regular rinsing, wiping, or vacuuming to maintain its effectiveness. However, aside from that, the maintenance is pretty straightforward. We tested this air purifier in our bedroom and were pleasantly surprised by how quiet the unit operates. We love the option to turn the display light on or off for truly uninterrupted night's rest. Like most Shark appliances, the air purifier comes with an odor neutralizer cartridge. We personally found the scent quite musky and a bit overpowering in our bedroom. We ended up removing the cartridge, although the scent lingered for a while. In terms of aesthetic appeal, this air purifier is available in a range of color options, from lavender to vibrant lime green. This allows you to find a hue that perfectly complements your home decor while keeping the air clean in your space. Coverage area, up to 250 square feet, dimensions, 9.21 by 9.21 by 11.61 inches, CADR rating, 165 CFM for smoke, 182 CFM for dust, and 178 CFM for pollen. Number 2. Coway Airmega 160 Air Purifier. Nothing tests an air purifier like a home renovation or pets, and the Coway Airmega 160 proved itself when we were removing drywall. Even though we blocked off the area, the air purifier found all kinds of dust, which we then cleared off the deodorization filter and the outside of the unit with a vacuum and a wet rag. On the filter, we could also see the hair that it had captured. The air purifier's fan actually sounds similar to a white noise machine, too, making this pick ideal for a bedroom. We like that it's more basic. While we've tested and loved other models from Coway, like the under $150 Coway Airmega 100 and the very smart and design-conscious Coway Airmega icons, we felt that the 160 was right in the middle of the pack, and we didn't miss having an app. Like the icons, the 160 is also nice to look at and stands apart from the utilitarian design of some of the other air purifiers we love, like the Clorox Large Room True HEPA Air Purifier. While the replacement filters are a bit expensive, we love that this air purifier features a color-coded indicator on the outside to give you a quick glimpse at your air quality. It's really easy to change the filter, too, and the process took us a matter of seconds. Coverage area, up to 1,035 square feet, dimensions, 18.5 by 13.4 by 6.5 inches, CADR rating, 153 CFM for smoke, 161 CFM for dust, and 220 CFM for pollen. Number 3. Clorox Large Room Air Purifier. Clorox is a household name for cleaning wipes, toilet cleaners, and disinfectants, which is why I was totally surprised by Clorox's Large Room Air Purifier when I brought it home. This air purifier is the perfect combination of handy features and a basic design. Like our top pick, it's basically ready out of the box and has an easy-to-understand touchscreen display. The display gives you a real-time view of your home's air quality and has multiple fan settings, plus a convenient sleep mode. There's also a display lock, a staple in my home after my kiddo accidentally turned the air purifier off. Beyond the display, the Clorox air purifier has a somewhat utilitarian design. However, it makes quick work of clearing cooking fumes in spaces up to 1,500 square feet, and my seasonal allergies have been significantly better since setting it up. In terms of noise, this air purifier is practically silent in its lowest settings. It gives you a clear, color-coded signal on the front of its unit to let you know where your air quality is at, and the digital display will also alert you when it's time to change the filter. Our filter lasts about 6 months. One filter replacement costs $60, which is a bit over the average for the air purifiers we've tested and love. Coverage area, 1,500 square feet, dimensions, 10 by 10 by 19 inches, CADR rating, 206 CFM for smoke, 219 CFM for dust, and 232 CFM for pollen. Number 4. The Windmill 3-in-1 Air Purifier. Modern, sleek, and right at home in a living room, bedroom, or even office, Windmill's air purifier is also impressively quiet. And, after 6 months of use in our home, we think it's a total game changer for those who want a model that's so quiet, it's nearly impossible to detect. With 5 modes that range from whisper, at just 16 dBs in volume, and white noise, which clocks in at 47 dBs, to the more powerful high-end boost, the loudest at 54 dBs, options, the Windmill can do it all. But no matter what setting we choose, we love how quietly it gets to work. We wouldn't even call its noise level as loud as white noise, it really is almost silent. While we can't speak to how this air purifier handles pet hair, we find it's nicely effective on odors, particularly strong post-cooking kitchen odors. It automatically kicks on as needed, and it sends a notification right to our phone when the interior air quality changes. In fact, our only complaint about this almost silent air purifier is with its app notifications. Those notifications can come in fast and frequently if your air quality changes. We found this out when we turned on a humidifier in another room and were essentially spammed with notifications. You may want to adjust the notification settings before diving in if you want your home and your phone notifications to remain quiet. When it's time to change the H13 HEPA filter inside, it's a total breeze. We love the magnetic paneling on the device, which is super simple to pull off gently, swap out the filter, and snap right back into place. We also find it easy to stay on top of this air purifier's regular maintenance, thanks to how seamless its smartphone app is. Coverage area, up to 1,950 square feet, dimensions, 12 by 19.7 by 21.4 inches, CADR rating, 286 CFM for smoke, 284 CFM for dust, and 343 CFM for pollen. Number 5. Dupray Bloom Air Purifier. Beyond the noise level and efficiency of an air purifier, it's totally fair to be concerned about how an appliance will look in your space. Several brands offer stylish models, but after testing over 70 air purifiers, I've never seen a design quite like that of the Dupray Bloom Air Purifier. This air purifier doubles as a planter, or an accent table with an oak or walnut top. At under $300, it's also a really amazing value compared to other chic picks you'll find. When you first plug in the air purifier, it defaults to its auto mode. However, you can pick between 5 modes, including a night mode. The fan is noticeable when it's really putting in work, but still relatively quiet. It has color-coded light indicators, so you can quickly take a look at the base and see if your air is in the red, yellow, or green, too. The filter, which costs $50 to restock, but you receive a 2-pack, and a washable pre-filter are inserted and removed through the base. Notably, there are also 13 different color options for the pre-filter. Since it's very visible, it's the gray portion you see in our photos, so you can also match the pre-filter to your space. This pick doesn't come with a remote control or any smart features, but it's certainly unique, and the air in our testing room was noticeably clearer after just 15 minutes of it being on. We noted that the air felt consistently clearer throughout the room, meaning that it wasn't just making a difference in the spot it was placed and was circulating the air quite well. Coverage area, 1,517 square feet, dimensions, 13 by 13 by 19 inches, CADR rating, not listed.